Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to use CPI in 2025. If you're dealing with budgets, investments, or just staying ahead of inflation, this is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is CPI? The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, is a key economic measure that tracks the average change in prices for a basket of goods and services over time. It's released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics and helps gauge inflation. For 2025, with potential economic shifts, understanding CPI could save you money or even boost your financial planning. Why is it important? CPI reflects how much your dollar's purchasing power changes. If CPI rises, it means things are getting more expensive, which directly impacts your daily life. In 2025, experts predict moderate inflation, so using CPI wisely can help you adjust. Here's how to use it step by step. Start by accessing the latest CPI data from reliable sources like the BLS website. Look at the annual percentage change to see inflation trends. For example, if CPI increases by 3%, that means goods cost 3% more than last year. One practical way is for salary adjustments. If your job doesn't account for inflation, reference CPI data to negotiate a raise. In investments, use CPI to inflation-proof your portfolio. Think inflation-protected bonds or diversifying into assets that outpace inflation. For personal budgeting, apply CPI to forecast expenses. If food prices are rising per CPI reports, cut back elsewhere or seek discounts. Remember, CPI isn't one size fits all. It focuses on urban consumers, so adapt it to your situation. In 2025, keep an eye on global factors like supply chain issues that could influence CPI. By staying informed, you'll make smarter decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more economic tips. See you next time.